So several videos back I made a tutorial on how to make a name tag which had like specific ranks and if you were in a group or something, but I noticed that video was outdated and it didn't really seem to work anymore, so I came back with another video on it, how to make a name tag. This one should be working. It has been working lately, so it's going to be very similar to the last one, just it's just going to be working a bit better. We're going to start off by entering a part into our world. This part is only for visual purposes, and you'll see why in a minute. So inside this part, we're going to insert a billboard GUI, and then inside this billboard GUI, we're going to insert a text label. And as you can see, you see this text label right here. And you're going to open the properties tab, and in the billboard GUI, we're going to have always on top to true. We're going to studs offset. What this does is what it will do is it will just move it up here. So there's the X, Y, and Z axis. I moved it up on the Y axis by 1.5 studs. That should help us. And I'm going to then we're going to change the size of the billboard GUI. So I'm going to actually get rid of the text label, and I'm going to make the size of this billboard GUI like 3, 0, 1.5, 0, and something like that. With the head. Okay, there we go. We're just going to say 3, 0, 1, 0, and that's something I think I like. And so actually I'm going to make this a bit bigger. Oops, sorry about that. 1.5. No. We're just going to say 1.25. That should work. And then now I'm going to insert my text label. We're going to set the size to 1, 0, 0.5, 0. And then I'm going to set the background transparency to 1. And then text field to true. Text color, I'm just going to have that as a white. I'm going to set the text to player. That's going to be the placeholder. Text stroke transparency is 0.8. And also this is like entirely optional. You can customize this in any way that you want. I'm just doing it in my favorite way. And I'm going to call this text label the username. I'm going to duplicate this, and I'm going to call this one the rank. And then all we have to do is position this one down by 0.5, and then set the text to rank, and I'm going to set the color to like a light gray. That is, yep, that's I like that. So I'm actually going to name the billboard GUI to name tag, and that is pretty much all we're going to do. Except for, you see the max distance, I'm going to set that to 50. So if you're more than 50 studs away from this, from the name tag, you won't be able to see it. And now all we have to do is put the name tag in the server storage. We can now remove this part. And now we can begin scripting. I don't really want this video to take very long, so I'm going to make the scripting go by a bit faster. Just you can feel free to pause the video or anything as you need to. So I'm going to start off by naming the script to name tag script. We're going to get the server storage. It's going to be game colon oops, not get mutable. Get service server storage. Feel free to use the replicated storage if you want to. But that gives you less security, and like hackers, exploiters, whatever, can access the replicated storage and first. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get the name tag. It's going to be the server storage colon wait for child, and it's going to be name tag. And if you're using the replicated storage, then use the replicated storage instead of server storage. So we're referencing the server storage, and we're referencing the name tag. And now that we have that, we're going to create our ranks. The ranks are just going to be actually, this is going to be something that we do later on. So we're going to have another thing called functions. That's going to be later on as well. And now we're just going to have the name tag script, just like this. And so we're going to start off by saying it will detect you when a player joins the game. So game.players.player added connect function player as the parameter, and now we're going to detect when the character is added. So player.character added connect function, and this is going to be the character, and we're just going to do that. And now this is something that did not appear in my last tutorial. It's going to be in this one. Is we're going to wait for for R15. I believe that pretty sure that the R15 character loads its character twice. So we're going to wait until the R15 character finishes loading the second time. So we can say player.character appearance loaded wait, and I'll just do that. And now we're going to get the head, we're going to get the new name tag, we're going to get the username, we're going to get the rank, and we're going to get the humanoid. And I'm going to fill these out now. So local head is going to be character.head. New name tag is going to be name tag clone. Username is going to be new name tag username. I believe that's what I called it. Let me check. Yep, I called it username. Oops, I gotta say equals. Something like that. And put the space there. Rank is going to be new name tag dot rank. And humanoid, that is going to be character. Oops, not catalog search. Character dot humanoid. And we don't really have to worry about wait for child because the character is already added. So now that we have that, we're going to set the new name tag. We're going to set the parent to the head, and then we're going to disable the default username. So humanoid.display distance type equals none. That will disable the default name tag. And now we're going to say username, not user settings, username dot text equals player dot name. Now we're going to get into the ranks. So in this rank thing that I made earlier, we're going to have a local creator rank. All it is going to be set to a table. And if you want to, you can have another rank. You can have member, but for now I'm only going to have one rank. Feel free to create as much as you want. So inside the ranks, you're going to put the players in them, just like this. And now what we can do is we're going to come down. Actually, we need to create a function. So local function, it is creator. You'll do this function for every single rank that you have, except for if you a group member rank. I will show you guys how to do that today. So now what we can do is we can say we're going to say player. That's going to be the parameter. Going to drop that down right there, and now we're going to loop through all of every object, in this case the player, a name inside the creator table or whatever your rank is called. And now we're going to say creator. This is going to be the name of the rank, that you're referencing, and we're just going to start off the for loop. And now if you say if v equals player dot name, then we're going to return as true. And if it gets down here, then we're going to return as false. And just copy and paste this for every single rank you have, of course, like renaming it and using the correct table. And now what we can do is, if we can say down here, we can say if is creator player, then what we can do now is we can say rank dot text equals creator, and rank dot text color 3 equals color 3 dot new. And I'm just going to select a random color in here. We're just going to do red. And you do this for every rank that you have as well. So now if I test the game, you'll see that I do have, it does say BloxDenn, and I do have creator as my rank. And I think I need to raise up the name tag a bit, but that's not a problem for me. Anyways, now I'm going to be showing you how to create a group member rank. So we do not need to create a rank for member right here. All we need to do is, what do we need to do? Right down here, you can say if player is in group, and in here you're going to put your group ID. I have my group ID right here on my screen, 3232863. That should be the right one. And now we're going to say then, and since if the player is in the group, matching the ID, and by the way, I own this group right here. I do own it. So if that player is in the group, you do the same thing. We can just copy this, and we're going to say group member, and we're going to change the color to blue. That's what I'm just going to do. And also, you should put this on top. We're just trying to put this on the very top, and the reason is if you have a special rank like creator or anything, and then you're also a group member, it might instead of saying creator, it might say group member. So always put group member on top. It'll set your rank to group member, and then it'll immediately set it to creator. So that should be the entire name tag script. So I'm going to go ahead and play the game and make sure that it does say creator instead of group member, because I don't want to have the group member tag since I'm a creator. And now if I remove myself from the creator rank and I rejoin the game, my game will load any second now. You'll see now it says group member. So there it is. I have made another name tag script for you guys. This one should work for you guys. I hope it does. I don't want to do a part 3 of this video idea. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave in video suggestions or compliments or whatever, complaints or anything in the comments below, and also feel free to subscribe if you enjoy my content. I'm trying to upload a lot more. Sorry if my video editing does suck. I just switched to Premiere Pro like a little while back. So anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one.